Hi there. My name's Trip Hansen, and I'm a licensed acupuncturist, certified nutritional consultant, living and working in a private practice here in New York City. What I want to talk to you about today is the tremendous advances that are being made in the field of nutrition these days, and in my opinion, none of them are more important than those in the field of nutrigenomics, or the study of how nutrition has a direct effect on our genes. It is now known that nutrition can affect our actual DNA, or actually, more correctly, I should say the expression of our genetic code, how it affects us physically, and how it shows up in real life. There is an industry growing up around this incredible model of wellness, and I refer to it as DNA customized nutrition. But of course, the question is, does it work? Is it better? I mean, just because an idea is new or different or technologically advanced or all natural, well, it still doesn't make it great, does it? Or good for you? Uh, no. Sorry. I'm obviously being a little tongue-in-cheek here, but truthfully, the mapping of the human genome and the understanding of its relationship to nutrition isn't just a trend. This is not a fad, folks. It's captured the attention of some of the best minds in the fields of medicine, biochemistry, nutrition. Even Time magazine called home DNA testing the invention of the year. CNN reported on DNA analysis as a way to identify potential health problems. And they did that because the science is so solid. The field continues to evolve. I mean, way back in June 2002, which is almost 10 years ago now, unbelievably, Doctors Kathleen Fairfield and Robert Fletcher published an article in JAMA, which is the Journal of the American Medical Association, and it said, as you can see here, inadequate intake or subtle deficiencies in several vitamins are risk factors for chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and osteoporosis. In the last 60 years, nutritional and dermatological sciences have made tremendous breakthroughs. And also, there is a cultural trend that's influencing the development of this science, and that's our need as a society for customization, for more individualization, but at a scale that allows all of us to access it. You see, even small variations in your genes can have a significant influence on how well your body responds to food, to nutrients, physical activity, environmental stresses, and how you may be predisposed to a variety of other important health and physiological conditions. But by analyzing and understanding your unique genetic strengths, your weaknesses, you can eliminate the guesswork. And we can actually genetically guide an optimal nutritional supplement or skincare formulation to match you. You see, one size fits all? Well, it doesn't. That era is coming to an end. We now know that one diet doesn't work for everyone. One food group excluded from a healthy eating plan doesn't work. It's common knowledge now. The explosion of information in nutrition and biochemistry makes it clear that individualization, or as I like to say, bio-customization, is the only way to achieve true health. In his best-selling book, The Next Trillion, author, economist, and futurist Paul Zane-Pilzer says it very clearly. By examining a person's DNA, which can be taken from the mouth with just a small swab or scraping device, it's already possible to predict the probability that a person will develop certain diseases. And soon, based on the recently completed mapping of the human genome, it should be possible to predict every forthcoming disease or condition not caused by external, i.e., diet and exercise factors. So again, I ask you, don't you think DNA customized nutrition might be a better option? You bet. By analyzing and understanding your genetic strengths and weaknesses, you can genetically guide the optimal nutritional supplement to match your needs. Here's what genomics tells us. We're living on a planet with about 6 billion or so other people, and over 99% of that genetic coding, our DNA, is exactly the same. This means that all of our differences are coded to within less than 1%. Our skin, our hair, our eyes, our personality, even the differences in how we're going to age and our tendency to be vulnerable to particular physical issues. I know it sounds like science fiction, but remember, to our grandparents, so did flying to the moon. But imagine this. We're able to peek at your DNA. You can see your inherited predispositions in the areas that you see listed here, whether it's bone or heart health, lung and breast tissue, joint, eye, neurological, pulmonary health. You can even find out how well your body detoxes pollutants. And then we can actually match your findings to a supplement that's proven to make a difference. Specifically blended organic whole food ingredients for you and your bio-individuality. It's a new age, folks. Here's how it works. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to send you a simple at-home cheek swab kit, which you send to the lab. They assess your swab and pinpoint your personal genetic profile, and they create a custom blend out of a possible 500,000 combinations, one of which is going to fit you like a handmade suit. So I'm sure you have questions. You may be curious, you may want more information, and I'd love to share that with you. What I've done is I've conducted a 20-minute interview with one of the top leaders at GeneWise Life Sciences, which is the company leading the charge in this extraordinary field. You can contact me at the email address in the presentation here, or you can also visit my website, which is www.dnacustomizednutrition.com. Fill out the form on the right-hand side of that page, and I'm going to send you the link for that interview, as well as a 28-page report explaining the science of genomics and how it works to customize your nutritional supplementation. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to helping you customize your own healthy evolution. So until next time, this is Trip Hansen signing off. Thank you.